Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss about the topic matrix part 1. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about the basic things of the matrix, that is based on the ICSE class 10, and I am just followed by M.L.Aggarwal. Okay. First, we have to know what is a matrix. That is, what is matrix? What is matrix? A rectangular, basically matrix is a array of a number of a basically matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Arranged in rows and is called matrix. So what is matrix? A rectangular array of a number arranged in rows and column is called matrix. Okay, that is the basic definition of the matrix. Now, first of all, we denoted the matrix by third bracket. Okay, we denoted the matrix by third bracket. Okay, the size of the matrix we can denote it by the size of the matrix. The size of the matrix is M cross N. Here M represent the rows of the matrix and N represent the column of the matrix. Okay, so size of the matrix is denoted by M cross N. Clear? Now take an example, then it will be clear to you. Okay, now let us take a matrix named A equals to, in the third bracket, 5 minus 3 1 2 4 2. Okay, so here this part is called number of rows. So here number of rows is 1 and 2, and that part is called the number of columns. How many columns are there? Here 3 columns, 1 2 and 3 columns are there. So now what is the size of this the matrix? So first denoted by row, then column. So number of row is 2 and number of column is 3. So you can write 2 cross 3. There are 6 unique elements are there. Clear? So we can denote the matrix by A I J. What is the position of the particular elements of the matrix? So you can write the elements position. That is, think about Aij, first row, then column. Now, if I goes that word and downwards, the first element we can write A11, and the second element we write the number of rows is 1 and number of column is 2, A12, and third element we can write the row number is 1, that is A1, and column number is 3. Here now the first row is completed. Now in case of the second part, the row, here the row number is 2 and column number is 1. You can write 2 1, and this position value is A2 column 2, row 2 column 2, and here A row number is 2 and column number is 3. So you can denote it by this matrix by A1 A2. This is the 6th unique position or unique place of the matrix. We can write Aij. Okay, you can write easily Aij. Now take as example, here before we start the exercise, and now let us take an example. Think about a matrix B. The elements are 2, 4, 6, 7, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5, 9, 6, 8. So here, how many numbers of rows? Here number of rows is 1, 2, 3. Number of rows is 1, 2 and 3. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the size of the matrix is 3 cross 4 or 3 into 4 matrix. Okay. If that means the size is 3 cross 4. So now if you find out the think about that, so you want to find out the value of 2, 3. What is the value of 2? That means 2, 3. That is here this means this is the row number and that is the column number 2. The number 2, if I go that word, and column number 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The intersecting point, this value is 5. Okay. And what is the value of thing about that B? 3, 3. So that is the row number 3, column number 3. We go in that direction, that is row and column number 3, or you can take column number 4, 3, 4. So goes that word. The intersecting point, that is 8, is the value of V34. Okay. So we discussed the basic law of the matrix. So in case the basic law of the matrix we have just simply discussed, then we go to the matrix part 1, that is 8.1 exercise. I will sort it out. So first of all, again I just discuss what is a matrix. Basically a matrix is nothing but a rectangular array of a number arranged in a rows and column is called a matrix. How can I find out the size of the matrix? That is, it can be denoted by M cross N. M is number of row and N is number of columns. Now take an example here. Here just taking a matrix, that is 2 cross 3 matrix. The values are given. The position of the matrix is, that is, this position is called A11, that position is A12, here is A13, and here is Y21 because the number of row 2 and column number 1, that is 21, A22 and A3. Okay, and we are taking the example of another one, and we easily find out the value of the matrix. Okay, now okay. Now classify the matrix. So here it is a square matrix. Okay, it is a square matrix. Square matrix of order 2 cross 2, 2. Okay, so why square matrix? Because the number of rows and the number of columns are same, so that is why it is a square matrix. So here it is a row matrix because row is given, so it is a row matrix of order 1 into 3. Why 1 into 3? Because 3 columns are given, so it is a column matrix. So it is a column matrix of order 3 into 1. Why 3 into 1? Because number of rows are 3 and number of columns is equals to 1. So it is a matrix of order, here number of rows 3 and number of column is 2, that is 3 into 2. Okay, so here number of rows is 2 and number of column is 3, that is, it is a matrix of order 2 into 3. Okay. Now here it is the 0 matrix because all the elements of this matrix are 0, and the order is number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. Order 2 cross 3. Clear? Question number 1 completed. Any doubts? So just simply classify the matrix. Okay. Next question. If a matrix has 4 elements, what are the possible order it can have? Question number 2. The question, if a matrix has 4 elements, if a matrix has 4 elements, what will be the possible order? What will be the possible order? So think about the 4 elements. A, B, C, D can be the 4 elements. What will be the possible order? Number 1, we can write the matrix as A, B, C, D as 1 into 4 matrix, or you can write A, B, C, D, that is 4 into 1 matrix, or we can write A, B, C, D, that is 2 cross 2 matrix. So number 1, number 2, number 3, these 3 are the possible order of 4 elements. Okay, so these 3 possible order can be possible only for 4 elements of a matrix. So the next question is, what will be the possible order of 8 matrix, 8 elements matrix? Okay, 8 elements matrix. So I am not going to writing the value, elements of the matrix. Simply we can write possible order can be 1 cross 8, number 2 that is 8 cross 1, number 3 can be right, that is 2 cross 4 matrix, or 4 cross 2. So these 4 possible order can be possible in case of 8 elements of a matrix. Clear? Okay, now next question, question number 3. Construct 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements Aij. Construct 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are Aij given by number 1, Aij equals to 2i minus j, 2i minus j. At the beginning of the class, we already mentioned the position of the matrix, that is this position is A11, A12, A21, A22. Why? This is the row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. So that part is row 1, column 1, here row 1, column 2, here the row 2, column 1, and row 2, column 2. Okay, so now the putting the value of this value and we get the value of Aij. Now the position of, just simply put the value here, the position of A11, that is put the value of I1, 2 into 1, and J1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. So last place occupied by 1. Now the position of A12, that is the value of 2 into I equals to 1 minus j value is 2, that is 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now position of A21, that is here, the position value is here, that is the value of I is 2 and j is 1. So 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So the value is 3, and not only the value of fourth position, that is 2 2, that is 2 cross 2 minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, 2. So the value of this is 2. Clear? So you easily find out the value of Aij 2I minus j, that is 1032. Clear? Now question number 2. The value is given I into j, I into j. Same. So just putting the value here, that the position of value is I1 j1, that is 1 into 1 is equal to 1, putting the value in 1, that is the 1 2 position means row 1 column 2, that is 1 2, that is 1 into the value of j is 2, that is 2, place 2 here. Now the position is A21 position means I equals to 2, j equals to 1, that is 2 into 1, that is 2, and the position of A22, that is I equals to 2 and j equals to 2, that is 4. So 4, that is 2 cross 2 matrix. We can easily find out the value. Construct the value, the elements are given. Okay. Okay. Find the value of x and y. Question number. Find the value of x and y. The question is 2x plus y, 2x plus y, 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Okay. 2 is gonna, okay. Now, comparing corresponding elements, we get that is, this is the position of 1 1, that is also position of 1 1, that is 2x plus y is equal to 5, equation 1, and here also 3x minus 2y is equal to 4, equation 2. So we got two equations, so we are using elimination process. So first we have to equal the coefficient value of y. Then how can we equal the coefficient value of y? Simply multiply equation 1 by 2, then these two values will be equal, then we can eliminate the y. So equation 1 multiplied by 2 and equation 2 multiplied by 1, then we get, that is 4x plus 2y is equal to 5, 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Simply subtract it. So 7x equal, sorry, 4 to the 8. Sorry, my mistake. That is multiplied by 2 means 10 and 4 is equal to 14, or x equals to 14 by 7. 7 2 is 14, or x equals to 2. we get the value of x equals to 2. Now substituting the value of equals to 2 in equation, any one of the equation 1 or equation 2. So substituting the value of x equals to 2 in equation 1, we get that is 2 into 2 plus y equals to 5, or 4 plus y equals to 5, or y equals to 5 minus 4, or y equals to 1. Clear? So we'll get the value of x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Clear? This is an elimination process. We can easily remove the y and find out the value of x, and simply substitute the value of x in equation 1 or 2. You can put any one of them and we will get the value of y. Clear? Question number 4 complete. Find the value of x. Okay, find the value of x. The question is 3x plus y, 3x plus y minus y, 2y minus x 3, 2y minus x 3 is equal to 1 2 minus 5 3, 1 2 minus 5 3. Simple. First, comparing okay. So here look, the position of a 1 2 position and the value of here 1 2 position is 2, that is we'll get the value of minus y equals to 2 or y equals to minus 2. Now a11 position, that is 3x plus y, and here the a1 position is 1. Now 3x plus y equals to 1, and now substituting the value of y in here, or 3x plus of minus 2 equals to 1, or 3x minus 2 is equal to 1, or 3x is equal to 1 plus 2, or x equals to 3 by 3. Therefore number x equals to 3 7. That is, find the value of x, y and z. The question is x plus 2 3, x plus 2 3, 6 5z, 6 5z is equal to minus 5 y square plus y square plus y 3 minus 20, 3 minus 20. So first look the unique value, that you can easily find out the value, that is the position of 5z, that is a 2 position, or here value the a 2 position is minus 20. So comparing the corresponding elements, we get 5z equals to minus 20, or z equals to minus 20 by 5, 4 ja, or z equals to minus 4. Simply get the value of z. Now here look, the position of 1 1, and here that is x plus 2 is equal to minus 5, or x equals to minus 5 minus 2, or x equals to minus 7. We got the value of x is minus 7. Now simply find out the value of now y, that is here y square plus y equals to, that is the position is 1 2, here also 1 2, that is 6, or y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, or y square plus, simply apply the middle term factor. How? That is 3 2 is 6, that is 3 minus 2 y minus 6 is equal to 0, or y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. Take a common, that is from here you can take the common of y, will get y plus 3, here common, take the common 2, that is y plus 3, y plus, because we are taking the minus common, that is this minus converted to the plus 0, or y plus 3 y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now y plus 3 is equal to 0, or y equals to minus 3 plus 3. If you transfer the other end, it will be minus, and y minus 2 is equal to 0, or y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. Clear? So easily find out the value of y equals to minus 3, or y equals to 2, x equals to minus 7, and z equals to minus 4. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now next question. Question number 8. Find the value of x, y, a and b. X, y, a and b. The question is x minus 2, x minus 2, a plus 2b, a plus 2b, y 3a minus b, y 3a minus b is equal to 3151. 3151. Okay, so first comparing the corresponding elements, we get think about the position is a1 2, this position, here also 1 2 position, that is y equals to 1, and here the position of 1 1 and also 1 1, that is x minus 2 equals to 3, or x equals to 3 plus 2, or x equals to 5. Now here that is the position of 2 1, a plus 2b is equal to 5, and 2 2 position, that is 3a minus b is equal to 1, that is equation 1 and equation 2. Again we must have to eliminate the b. If I multiply equation 2 by 2, then this coefficient value of b is equal, then we can easily subtract or eliminate it. Now equation 1 multiplied by 1 and equation 2 multiplied by 2, we get, that is a plus 2b equals to 5. So 3 2 just 6a minus 2b, 2 1 just 2, that is 7a is equal to 7, or a equals to 7 by 7, or a equals to 1. So we get the value of a equals to 1. Now substituting the value of a in any one of the equation, so we are choosing the equation 1. So substituting the value of a equals to 1 in equation 1, we get, now write a plus 2b is equal to 5, or put the value of a is 1 plus 2b equals to 5, or 2b equals to 5 minus 1, or b equals to 4, 2 is multiplied and here divided by 2, or b equals to 2. Clear? Okay. So simply find out the value of ax, y, a and b. So remove it. Now last question, find the value of a, b, c and d. Find the value of a, b, c and d. That is a, b, c and d. That is a plus b 3, a plus b 3, 5 plus c a b, 5 plus c a b is equal to 6d minus 1 8, 6d minus 1 8. Okay, so here we have to find out the value of a, b, c, d. So here the alone value is d and c here. So first simply compare and find out the value of c and d, then we will find out the value of a and b. Okay, so you can write down the comparing element, the corresponding elements. That is the value, the position of the 3 is 1 2, and here also the position is, the d position is 1 2. So we can write d equals to 3, and 5 plus c, the position is 2 1, here the position is 2 1 equals to minus 1, or c equals to minus 1 minus 5, or c equals to minus 6. Okay, now find out the value of a plus b. Here a and b. So now here the position is 1 1, that is a plus b, and also position is value is 1 1 is 6, equation 1, and the position of value ab is, that is 8. Okay, now a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. We are applying the formula of a minus b whole square. Okay, is equal to a plus b value is given 6, that is 6 square minus 4 into 8, that is 36 minus 32, that is 4, or a minus b equals to root over of 4, or a minus b equals to plus minus of 2. So now here a plus b equals to 6 is given, and a minus b, there are two values, one is plus 2 value, another one is minus 2 value. We are taking individual of the each values. That is, first we take the first value, that is a minus b is equal to minus 2. Simply subtract it. 2a equals to, oh sorry, okay, we are taking the minus 2. Okay, 2a equals to 4, or a equals to 4 by 2, that is 2 2s are 4, or a equals to 2. Now substituting the value of a in any one of the equation, we just simply put in equation 1. Now substitute that is uh, a plus b equals to 6, or the value of a is 2, 2 plus b equals to 6, or b equals to 6 minus 2, or b equals to 4. Clear? So here we get the value of b4, a2, when I just simply put the value of a minus 2. Now again, a plus b equals to 6, a minus b equals 2. We are taking right now the value of plus 2, that is 2. So 2a equals to 8, or a equals to 8 by 2, that is 4, or a equals to 4. Now substitute the value of a in equation 1. Will get, that is, place the value of 4, a plus b equals to 6, or 4 plus b equals to 6, or b equals to 6 minus 4, or b equals to 2. So here we get the value of a equals to 4 and b equals to 2. Clear? We have completed the matrix part 1, that is 8.1 exercise from M.L.Aggarwal. Okay, so practice well. Clear? On the next class or the next day I'll release the matrix part 2, that is 8.2. Okay, have a nice day.